So let me show you how you can zoom in with your mouse on the Mac. So at first we have to set it up. So we're going to go to the system settings like this. And what we need to do is find accessibility section. And so it is right below general. And if you open up settings, you're likely going to be in general by default. So right below, click on accessibility like this. And you should be able to see the zoom option. It is in the vision section. So click on a zoom and we have to enable it with a couple of different toggles, right? Because you can see that we can use the keyboard shortcut to zoom, which is the option command and 8, and you can also use the zoom in and out gestures, but that's for the keyboard shortcuts. But you can use trackpad gesture as well. Make sure you enable that too, so you can double tap with 3 fingers or double tap with 3 fingers and drag to change the zoom. That's what you can do as well. And you can also modify key for scroll gesture. So as you can see, there is the key which you can select for this, right? So make sure you enable that as well. And then now essentially you will have the ability to use even the mouse with it. So right now, if I hold down on the control button on my actual keyboard and zoom in with the mouse, you can as well go in and out on the image. So yes, you have the ability to hold it down on the control key or whichever one you pick in here. For example, if you choose the command, you can also use that one. But the point is that you have it clicked and then now you can zoom or scroll essentially with your mouse and you will have the ability to zoom in on the screen as well. So I hope that I was able to explain it. That's kind of how it works. Of course, you have some more settings for the zoom style and all of that, but that's essentially how you can use it. Let me know if you managed to find it and make it work. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.